Hola, mi nombre es Lady Pérez y hoy vamos a dar un tutorial sobre preposition of place. In, neighborhood, cities in New York, countries, the United States, place good, airport, daddy. El on lo utilizamos para street, avenues, Pennsylvania Ave, Island, en lace vehicles, train, bus, ship, surface. El at lo utilizamos para address, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, specific location, home, the corner. Aquí vemos unos ejemplos sobre el in, como lo podemos utilizar también dentro, on, sobre, under, debajo, in front of, behind, next to, above, below, between, on the left, opposite, on the right. Vamos a ver algunos ejemplos. El lexicon son example. In, the key is in the box. On, the book is on the table. Under, the beer is under umbrella. In front of, the cinema is from the bus stop. Estas frases las vamos a traducir. Ahora le dejo el link de los ejemplos y los vamos a traducir. Behind, the lamps are behind the curtain. Next to, my house is next to a library. Above, the ball is above the table. Below, the sun displayed below the horizon. Between, the police station is between the barn and my cider house. On the left, my pencil is on the left, opposite. The hospital is opposite to the post office. On the right, the airport is immediately on the right. Aquí está el enlace de unas actividades, vamos a realizarlas y vamos a reforzar los temas.